This short reveals forgotten apps that transform a phone into a productivity engine, not just a gadget for busy minds. First, task batching apps organize work into focused sprints, turning notifications into quiet background rhythms even on rushed mornings. Second, automation tools choreograph routines with smart triggers, reducing decision fatigue and reclaiming precious minutes, and ironically save mental energy. Third, habit builders and deep work timers sculpt consistent focus, pairing workflows with meaningful rewards and unlock longer deep work blocks. Finally, integration hubs stitch disparate tools into one seamless flow, letting you act without switching contexts and with security intact.